Dear children, let us discuss few more problems related to summation of some special series using sigma n square and sigma n cube. As you know that sigma n is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Sigma n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6, and sigma n cube is equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4, and that of sigma 1 is equal to n, sigma 2 is equal to 2n. In general, sigma k is some constant, sigma k is equal to k into n. That means summation of constant is constant into n itself. That's it. Got my point? Now let us discuss this problem. And you know that to find out the Sn, we want Tn. That means Sn is equal to sigma Tn. Let us consider here. Find the sum to n terms of 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7 up to n terms. That means we have to find out the sum up to n term. Every term containing two terms. Here also 2 term, here also 2 term, here also 2 term. Therefore, here also we have the 2 term. We have to find out the 2 term. That means here we have to find out the first term and second term. Look at me. First consider the first term. Consider what are the first terms of the sequence. Consider what are the first term. First terms are 1, 3, 5, so on like that. Consider 1, 3, 5, so on are in AP. We have to find out its nth term. So nth term, look at me, nth term is given by the formula a plus n minus 1 into d, since they are in AP. Just substitute here, a is 1, got my point, 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. Simplify that, 1 plus 2n minus 2. So by simplifying this, you will get 2n minus 1. Okay, now it is the last term or nth term of the first sequence. Now consider the second sequence, 3, 5, 7, so on like that. Consider 3, 5, 7, so on are also in AP, right? Are in AP. Now we have to find out nth term. So nth term is again using the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. Got my point? What is a? A is here, a is 3 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. Simplify that, 3 plus 2n minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is plus 1. Therefore remaining thing is what? 2n plus 1. Therefore this is the last term of the first sequence, last term of the second sequence. Therefore Tn is a combination of these two things, right? Therefore Tn is equal to, what is Tn is equal to? 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Nothing but 2n whole square minus 1 square. 2n whole square is nothing but 4n square minus 1. This is what Tn. Now we have to find out Sn. Got my point? So Sn is given by the formula. Sn is equal to, as you know, that sigma Tn, right? That is equal to sigma. What is Tn here? Tn is 4n square minus 1. Separate it. This become, can I take like this? 4 into sigma n square, directly 4 outside, 4 into sigma n square minus sigma 1. Now have a look on this, 4 into sigma n square value we have. What is sigma n square? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 minus sigma 1 is what? Sigma 1 is n into, sigma 1 is n itself. Okay. Now we have to take LCM, or you can do like this, 2 2s are 2, 3s are. So now here 3 is an LCM, take 3 is an LCM. That is equal to 3 is an LCM here. So remaining is 2n into n plus 1 2n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 plus here in this denominator we have 1. So cross multiply, that become minus 3n. Sorry, that minus 3n. Now we can take n is common. When n is common, remaining is 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 minus 3. Okay, whole divided by 6. Simplify, sorry, not 6, that is 3. Simplify this, n into multiply 2n, sorry, first let me have to multiply these two things. So 2n plus 2, 2n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 minus 3. Whole divided by 3. Simplify this, n into, so this become 4n square plus 2n plus of 4n plus 2 minus 3 whole divided by 3. So therefore that is equal to n into 4n square plus 2 4s are 8n minus 1 divided by 3. So this is what S said. So my question is this can be factorizable? No factorizable. Therefore keep the quadratic factor as it is. This is what Sn is equal to n into 4n square plus 8n minus 1 whole divided by 3 itself. Go with the solution once again. Go with the solution, dear children. Okay, now let us take one more problem here. One more problem related to this. Find the sum to n terms of this. N terms of, or find the sum of. Look at the question. Find the sum of 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square. 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square up to n terms. Okay, got my point. Here I am going to explain here. Look at me. Every term containing only one term with power 2. Look at me. First term is 1 square, containing only one term and square it. Containing only one term, square. Containing only one term, square. Here also it containing only one term with the square. Therefore, if you want to find out the nth term of this sequence, this series, it is enough to find out the base. The power is 2, 2, 2. Here also power is 2. We can keep like that. But the base is 1, 3, 5, and the last one is n. Okay, we can find out here. Consider 1, 3, 5, so on are in AP. First to find out the base 1, 3, 5, so on here. So therefore nth term is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. Look at me. What is a? A is 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. So this becomes 1 plus 2n minus 2. That is equal to 2n minus 1. Therefore this is a base. Therefore, look at me, Tn is equal to, first term is 1 square, second term is 3 square, third term is 5 square. So this term is 2n minus 1 along with square. Therefore, Tn is equal to 2n minus 1 whole square. Now expand according to a plus b whole square, 2n whole square plus 1 square minus 2 into 2n into 1 according to a minus b whole square. This becomes 4n square plus 1 minus 4n. So rewritten as 4n square minus 4n plus 1. This is what Tn. Okay, dear children. After knowing Tn, let us find out Sn. Sn is given by the formula, as you know that. Sn is given by sigma Tn. Got my point? I can directly write sigma Tn 4 into sigma n square minus 4 into sigma n plus sigma 1. Now let us write the value of these things. That is equal to 4 into sigma n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6 minus 4 into sigma n is given by n into n plus 1 divided by 2 plus sigma 1 is n itself. Here 2 2s are 2 3s are. Here 2 2s are. Okay. Remaining thing I am going to write here 2n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 3 minus here what's the remaining thing here 2n into n plus 1 whole divided by 1 itself plus here what is that n divided by 1 itself. For 3 1 1 the LCM is 3. Now we have to take 3 is an LCM. Okay, so 3 is an LCM. What is the remaining thing is 2n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 minus cross multiply to 2 3s 2 3 2s are 6n into n plus 1 plus cross multiply 3 3n this become. Now we can take n as common from all the terms. Look at that. So we can take n common. So n common, after taking n common, here you will get 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 minus 6 into n plus 1 plus 3 itself. Whole divided by what? Whole divided by 3. Now simplify this. N into, simplify 2n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 minus 6n minus 6 plus 3. Here I am just multiplied by minus 6. Whole divided by what? 3. Look at that. N into multiply 4n square plus 2n plus 4n plus 2 minus 6n minus 6 plus 3 whole divided by 3. Simplify this. N into 4n square. Okay, look here. 2n plus 4n 6n minus 6n get cancelled. Here remaining is 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1 whole divided by what? 3. This is what SN. Got my point? This is very easy, very easy, very easy. Okay, let us discuss one beautiful problem here. Let us discuss one beautiful problem. What is that beautiful problem is, sir? What's the beautiful problem? Here the thing become like this. 5 square, the question is like this. Okay, look at that. 5 square. Here the question is 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square, 7 square up to so on plus n term. Now let us consider the first terms of the terms. What are the first terms? Consider 5 comma 6 comma 7 are in AP. Therefore nth term is given by Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This become 5 plus n minus 1. D is 1 itself. That is 5 plus n minus 1. That is equal to n plus 4. So therefore Tn is given by, how can you get Tn? Tn is every term is square. Therefore this term is also square. That means last term is n plus 4 along with the square. Therefore Tn is n plus 4 whole square. Just expand according to a plus b whole square. N square plus 4 square plus 2 into n into 4 according to a plus b whole square. N square plus 16 plus 8n. Simplify this. This become n square plus 8n plus 16. So now I can write this is what Tn. Actually we want what? Sn. Therefore Sn is equal to sigma Tn. Got my point? So therefore Sn is equal to, directly I can write here, this becomes sigma n square plus 8 into sigma n plus 16. Got my point here? So now the thing becomes sigma n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 itself. Divided by 6 plus 8 into, okay, look at me, plus 8 into sigma n is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 plus 16 is sigma 16 is 16n. Got my point? Now you can take like this 2 4s are this here, this become, look at me, this become n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 plus 2 4s are that become 4n into n plus 1 whole divided by 1 itself, there is nothing, plus 16n divided by 1. Here we have to take 6 is LCM, 6 as LCM. Then what happens here when 6 is LCM? This become n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 plus we have to cross multiply 6 4s are 24. That is equal to 24 n into n plus 1 plus 16 n is there. 16 6 16 6 that become what? 96. This become 96 n. Okay, now we can take n is common. After taking n, this become n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 plus 24 into n plus 1 plus what? 96 is the remaining. So whole divided by what? 6 itself. Okay. Now n into multiply this. What happens here? N into by multiplying this become 2n square plus n plus 2n plus 1 plus 24 n plus 24 plus 96 whole divided by 6. Now just simplify n into 2n square plus n plus 2n is 3n. 3n plus 24n is 27n. So 1 plus 24 is 25. 25 plus 96, what you will get? 25 plus 96 is 121. 121 whole divided by 6. This is the question. This is yes sir. This will be the answer. Got my point? Suppose the question is like that. Got my point? If it is find the sum of 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square up to 20 terms, nothing but up to 20 square. Look at me. If it is a question like that, similarly 5, 6, 7 are in AP, therefore nth term is like that. This is the final. But here, so here we have 5 square, 6 square, 7 square up to 20 square. What is n is equal to here? N is equal to 16. Why 16? Number of terms is 16. Because 5, 6, 7 up to 20 is totally 16 terms are there. Put n is equal to 16. Therefore that becomes Sn is equal to 16 into, simplify that, 2 into 16 square. 16 square is 256 into 2, that is equal to 512 plus 27 into 16. 27 into 16 is 432 plus 121 whole divided by 6. By simplifying this, Sn for this answer become 2840. 2840. This is what an answer. Got my point? Look at the question. Okay, we'll go with some other problems. Very important. Next problem.